10K Outdoors here, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. But yeah, I'm fishing, and literally we're in the yaks. Kaylee is my cameraman. Well, this water is about that deep. So about an oar's length of depth. An oar's like the paddle length. It's about a foot. I mean, it's literally from here to the bank's 2 inches. See, she can't even get off the bank. That's how shallow it is. Well, I'm gonna go over this rock ledge over there, and then I'm gonna go to this point over there. All right, see you at the spot. All right, well, it's about 3 feet of depth, and I see some shad down through. And so I'm gonna use this lipless crankbait 2-tap red eye shad, and let's see what I'm gonna catch. Keep on videoing. It's called ripping it. See, most fish, anytime you rip something, they hit it on the downfall. And this glitters down like a shimmer shad, like a dead shad flowing to the bottom. One more cast. Farther off the bank, real slow. Every once in a while, see a shad bounce. Alright, on to the next spot. Alright, we're at this point on Lake Barkley, and fishing with a lipless crankbait in the wave is ideal. Because look, the shad are all up in here, and these waves push them into these rocks and get concussed. This thing looks just like Lake Barkley, it's my bad. This is a lipless crankbait, and the shad are up on the water getting pushed into the rocks, and it gives them a concussion, makes it an easy meal for the bass. So I'm gonna get this and cast up in there, see if any bass with it. Show them the water a little bit, see if we get any shad down. Just about got hung up. Whoa. Don't cast that way anymore. Nope. See, that was a hit right there. They're hitting it, it's just such shallow water. So I'm gonna make a move to this point right here. A little bit out of the waves. All right, bear with me. soft-shell turtle washed up on the bank dead. That's what happens when the water lowers a foot. Whoa, just gonna slow roll it in. Mix it. Stop now. Alright, lock my phone and I'll take. That's what we call matching the hats. Y'all saw that shit?
You still can't see it though.
Nope. You can't see it with glasses right now.
Hey, look, do you see the red spot on the bottom?
Yeah, it doesn't look the same.
I can't see it that clearly.
This is 1:30 in the afternoon in the totality.
That's gases that are leaving the sun's surface.
How dark it is.
Those are solar flares.
Yeah.
Everybody's got
Oh my gosh, y'all, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. This is something.
I'm getting tired.
Yeah. It's time to take a nap.
It's
Whoa, what are you timing? Think about people that had a nap or waking up right now.
That's what I thought.
They're probably like, whoa.
How long did my nap last? Oh.
You gonna wake up thinking you see apocalypse?
It was my thing. I thought it was a bug. Kaylee, my thing was floating right there, and I thought it was a bug, and I freaked out.
don't look how quickly it came back.
We're still alive.
It's outside.
Yeah.
Emma, what'd you say?
I don't know.
We're all still alive. We made it.
Didn't they come back today?
Thank the Lord, world ended.
Quickly, the sun came back out.
How do our boats get so close, Dad?
Time inner tube.
Dad, I'm getting on the inner tube.
Guys, it's early morning fishing.
When are we leaving?
Waking up at 6 o'clock this morning because we're fishing closer to where we're camping at. So, 10 KY Outdoors out. See y'all guys tomorrow.